Now I'll show you how to delete or hide the page. So there are two different ways. You can do that by going directly to the page. So obviously online store page, just click on a page you want to delete or hide. And at the top you can select hidden, obviously click save, or delete it by clicking at the bottom of the page. Another way is go to your whole pages and click on the page you want to delete. So simply tick, and under more actions, simply unpublish or delete pages. I strongly discourage you from deleting pages because the fewer pages, the fewer content you've got, the less content Google has to index. So I'd encourage you to hide the pages and still have got the content on your website, and you can always come back to them if you wanted to have this page active.